A month ago, I made a decision that quite frankly had nothing to do with my hair, but I walked into the salon, I had my camera with me, and I filmed the entire process. And as I was watching it back, I was amazed at how much fear and doubt I had going in and how much more confident I was coming out of that chair. And so I wanted to share that moment with you. Hope you enjoy. I just been pulling it back in the bun every single day, and it's just, before I was doing that, I was putting it in braids every day. Or I was keeping it in braids because it's easy to work out, but then got tired of the braids. So now it's just been in a bun. And I just put this color in like 3 days ago. Okay. Yeah. So now this is what I want to do. This is kind of what you think?
It's cute.
You think it'll look good on my face?
You gonna do it with your natural curls? Or you gonna roll it?
I'm gonna roll it. So this is what I did on Sunday. I kind of curl my hair tight like this, right?
Okay.
With a roller set. Then by the end, like it kind of came out right. So I was like, this will look cute with shorter sides.
I don't take pity on you.
Oh gosh. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Let me get my mind. But okay, so we're okay. Oh, ready or not, here I come. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, I feel it. I feel a little emotional. Oh my gosh. Wow. I never had a clipper in my head before. This is crazy. So crazy. I can't even believe it. Wow. Look, okay, just leave the rest like this. It's not fair. I get so wow. I'm a grown up. This is like a grown up lady.
So your husband better be okay.
Okay or not, here it comes. I'm like, seriously, this is done, honey. That's what I told my husband. I was like, everybody that I'm looking at with this style has a really pretty face, and I'm like, I don't know if I have that really pretty face.
It's just face shape. That's all you need. But you
Girl,
have the
you
right
ain't
face
got no
shape.
makeup on. Don't make me rip you.
Right. I'm sure you blow up real good. But
Yeah.
it's pretty cute.
Like I said,
Different, but it's cute.
girls gonna be, and that's the other part. People like, that's what I was telling her. People always have to take you in when you cut your hair. Even when I haven't gone this short, it's always, oh, you cut all your hair off, and it's never, oh, I like your hair. It's just, it's gone.
It's fine.
Yeah. So then just gonna get my homemade color in order because it's giving very much so homemade, very much so bootleg. Honestly, really health was the first thing. Like once when I had my kid, you know, I had him in April 2020. And so like it was the heat of the pandemic, you know. So on top of just being in the house, just eating and drinking way too much and not moving my body. And so I was like, I gotta do something.
And your husband is a coach, right?
No, no, my sister's husband.
Okay.
Yes. And so I'm just like,
He's a photographer.
he's a photographer. Yes. And so, and that was the other thing. Like I didn't want to take pictures. I just didn't feel like myself with all the weight I had put on. And I was working out, but I was like, I need something almost drastic. You know what I mean? To like get me whipped into shape. So I was just like, I'm gonna try to start running. And I did, and then I did. My goal was just run a mile. Then I was like, I want to run 3 miles. And then next thing you know, I'm signing up for half marathon. Exactly.
Ooh, girl.
But it's been really good because it gives me something to focus on that's just for me. You know, like not motherhood, not working, not the family, and I just get just me. Exactly. And so I feel like I'm just coming like to myself. And I think that's even why I'm getting my hair done, you know, like,
Yeah,
coming back to me.
becoming.
I'm becoming, exactly. I am in the process of becoming, and I'm just like, I feel good because I think for the first time in a long time, I'm starting to feel like me again. Does that make sense?
Yes, you sound like me, girl.
You feel like you're in that same phase? I like it. Feminine but bold. This is so cute. I can't believe I did that. Wow.
Wait, what?
Have you had?
Yesterday. Look, you had hair yesterday.
Right.
You can maybe just cut the sides some on and let you top it.
Oh, I love it. If you watched to the end, I really hope you appreciated the video as much as I did. I feel like this haircut has signified so much change that has happened internally and the boldness of the woman that I am becoming, as Miss Jen talked about. And I think so often there are things that we want to do, things we know we should do, but we don't move on them out of doubt and fear and how things are going to work out for us. And this haircut, every day I look at myself, I am reminded that I am who I think I am, and I have to move like that woman moves, and that is boldly, that is with confidence, and that is with the understanding that anything that God has called me to do, He's equipped me to do. And so now I just got to do it, and you got to do what you've been called to do.